like me. It's a steak that looks like Jay Leno. Seller says this happened purely by accident. I photographed some steaks I made recently. Why? And as soon as I printed it, the face came out clearly, and I was told it looks just like Jay Leno. I did not alter the steak in any way. And it looks just like me. That's right. It doesn't resemble me. It looks exactly like me. Now, the starting bid was $9.99. Okay. I don't know. What? You know something? I think it looks more like Conan, actually. Sold or not sold? Sold! Sold. Everybody wants this. Not so. Not one bid. Not one bid. Probably the recession. That's right. All right. Our last item. Here you go. Kangaroo scrotum bottle opener. It's from Australia. It's an actual kangaroo scrotum. Now you talk about something from down under. This would qualify from down under. All right. It says an interesting conversation. You know, if you need this to start a conversation. All right. Well, let's see. Anyway, the starting bid is $17.97. Kangaroo. Really, you'd rather have a kangaroo scrotum than a steak that looks like me. You say sold?